home screen of the application, and it has a lot of features as it relates to your body and your face. As you can see here, AI beard can get the beard on your face. You have a lot of beards which can add using AI to be added to your face. And a lot of other templates which you can use. As you can see a lot of other features. You have the glasses features which you can add as well. All you have to do is just select whichever effect you want and pretty much upload an image or a clear image of your face and you get results like these. And as well, you can use the time machine option. All of these, you pretty much have to just upload a clear image of yourself, clear face image of yourself, and you get these results. Very simple. So you have the age section down here, which pretty much tracks your age or give your time machine, like from your young to your old. And yeah, all you have to do is just pretty much upload a clear image of your face and you're good to go. And it does the rest, as you can see here. So you have other templates which you can use as well. As you can see here, you have the portrait template. As you can see, the Christmas portrait templates which you can use as well. A lot of these here, as you can see, you can tap on the get classic option here. All you have to do is just upload a clear image of yourself, guys. This is very easy. As you can see here in the example, this is how the image should look once you have taken it or once you're going to upload it or you're going to select it from your gallery section. All images will be shown here, or you can tap on this option here. It will show all the images. So I'm just going to try one of these. For example, let's say this guy here, and it's going to detect your face. Will take a while to load, as you can see here. Once it detects your face, it will load up the pack of Christmas edits, as you can see that I've selected, and it should be finished in just a few. But as I said, guys, all you have to do is just upload a clear image of yourself and you get good results. As you can see here, once you have detect your face, it will pretty much give you all the Christmas edits or Christmas packs that you have selected. As you can see here, everything as it relates to the Christmas edits. So very easy application to use, and you can go ahead and save it to your gallery. Very, very easy. And as you can see, a lot of other ones which you can use as well. These ones are pretty much different. So you'd have to tap on the get option and upload a different image or the same image. So same thing for this here. So that's really pretty much all you use this application here. So very easy. And that's pretty much it for that. And you have this AI face option. Same thing that I've said before. All you have to do is just upload a clear image of yourself and you're good to go. As you can see here, some of these may be different. You have the man's look, you have all types of look going on here. And you have the woman section, you have the makeup section, you have the man hairstyle section. All you have to do, some of them you may see a diamond looking icon. Those, you're going to need a subscription to use those features. So as you can see here, it may say like a diamond icon at the top. So let's say if I select this option here and tap on this at the top here, I'll be able to see the subscription page. So this is pretty much the pricing of their subscription. They have a 1 month, they have a 12 or 1 year subscription, as you can see there. And they don't offer any free trial over, and it's pretty much scroll on and show you what we getting, pretty much everything. So yeah, so some of these you're gonna need a subscription to use them, especially these ones here with the diamond icon. You're gonna need a subscription to use those filters or effects. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, please let me know in the comment section and I'll gladly love to help you out. See you in the next one.